Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Ikea Krydda two-tier system. It's December the 19th and we've got some beautiful winter veg in both the systems. But also in this review we're going to uncover some of the flaws, including algae, lighting and spacing. So before you rush out and buy, have a watch of this video. So we started the seeds off in Rockwool in the Ikea germination box, and I'm going to be using all of Ikea's seeds. So we've got the rather strange names, but we've got Caraflax, Tatsoi, Rhubarb Chard, Little Gem, Dorida Printemps and Ovi Red. So I'm going to just use Ikea stuff and take it from there. So after 14 days in the germination box, my seeds were ready to be transferred into the two-tier Krydda growing system. Each of the seedlings will be placed in the containers with the pumice stones. So I'll fill it halfway, add one of the seeds and just fill it to the brim. And we'll do that for all of the 16 seedlings, and then they'll get transferred into the unit just there. So that's all the seedlings in the bottom tray now, and all labelled up. So we'll do the same for the upper tier also. So once you've added all your seeds, it's ready to add some water. But you can actually add the water at the start, so it doesn't really matter. But don't forget to add a capful of the Vaxa fertiliser also. When adding the water, there's a handy little float that will raise to give you a maximum and minimum level. Although it doesn't always work every time. So it's been 31 days now, and one of the disadvantages of the Ikea Krydda system is the build-up of algae. Although you can't actually see it on this shot, but I will zoom in a moment. AeroGarden use covers to prevent the build-up of algae, something that Ikea's R&D team need to look into. So what I'm going to do is do a full water change. Clean off all the algae. I don't know if you can see it there, the mould as well. I mean, I could have just bodged it for the camera, but I'd rather let you know that, there we go, a slight difference. So we can just see the build-up of mould and algae. So I'm going to take all these out, clean them up, and then I'll have a nice pretty picture for you. And lucky for me, all the algae is floated to the top. So all I'm going to do is skim that off and put it through a strainer. It's day 45 and you can quite easily harvest some of the tatsoi now, as it's now ready for a stir fry. Whilst on the bottom tray, I could easily harvest some of the butterhead lettuce, the Dorida Printemps, and potentially some of the Little Gem to put in my sandwiches. So 45 days, not bad. One of the flaws in the Ikea Krydda system is that the top level is only actually 26 centimetres high, whilst the bottom level is 29 centimetres high. So this is vital to know, as in previous experiments I've had Cos romaine lettuce developed a symptom of tip burn. So just like Icarus, when they fly too close to the sun, your plants will burn. And Ikea don't tell you this. This is the top level after 58 days. And sadly, whilst we've got some exceptional growth from the caroflax, it's actually shielding out one of the rhubarb chard to the fact that it's actually nearly stopped growing. And this is the bottom tier after 58 days. And whilst we've got some beautifully crunchy Delord pretemps, it overshadows the other plants really and stopping their growth. And even on this side. I think one of the fundamental flaws again is the fact that each plant is only approximately 8 centimetres apart, and we've also got some wasted space here. So I think rather than try to cram 8 plants in, we should redesign this and maybe just put 5 in, and I think you'll be amazed with the results. So it's back to you, Ikea.